Welcome to the Raw Data Export tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will walk you through how to export raw data to an Excel spreadsheet.
Before generating a raw data export, a site or folder must be selected. On the main toolbar, click Reports, Data Export, then Raw XLS Export. The report options window will open. By default, species are displayed as scientific names. To display common names in the export, select the box next to Include Common Names. To display species by a custom common name list, select the drop-down menu next to Alternate Species Common Name List, then select your list. Please see the Common Name List tutorial for more information. If these options will be used for future reporting, select Save as Defaults.
To generate the report, select Run Report. The Export To dialog box will open. Browse to the location on your device where you want to save the report. Give the file a name, then click Save. Close the Report Options window and navigate to the location the file was saved to open the spreadsheet. At the site level, you can also generate a raw data export from the Reports menu in the site window by selecting Reports, Data Export, then Raw XLS Export. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.